Madam President, I just briefly want to address this question of why we on our side have not laid down our budget proposal. And let me just repeat, we are in an unusual year. This is not going to be a circumstance in which there's a Republican budget and a Democratic budget, and you go to conference committee and they're resolved. Because we have a new process underway at the leadership level involving the White House. This is what the Republican leader himself said about that process. The discussions that can lead to a result between now and August are the talks being led by Vice President Biden. That's a process that could lead to a result, a measurable result. And in that meeting is the only Democrat who can sign a bill into law, in fact, the only American out of 307 million of us who can sign a bill into law. He is in those discussions. That will lead to a result. Madam President, we don't need a Democratic budget and a Republican budget. We need an American budget. We need a budget that is bipartisan because all of us know that is the only budget that can possibly be adopted. The Republicans control the House of Representatives. The Democrats control the Senate. The only possibility for us to make progress is a bipartisan budget. That's why I was deeply involved in the process on the President's Fiscal Commission. 18 of us for a year. And it is the only place a bipartisan budget has so far emerged. 11 of us supported it. 5 Democrats, 5 Republicans, and 1 independent. 11 of us out of the 18 on the commission. Madam President, we now have underway a group of 5 talks, Democrats and Republicans working together. But most important, we have at the leadership level, Republican leaders from the House and the Senate, Democratic leaders from the House and the Senate, and the Vice President of the United States. What sense would it possibly make for us to go to markup of a budget before we have seen the results of these leadership talks? That makes no sense. We have a bipartisan discussion underway, Republican leaders, Democratic leaders, and the White House. We ought to have the courtesy and the patience to see if they come up with a plan that would then form the basis of the budget. I thank the chair